central government there is a BJP government, state government there is a BJP government. There in Maharashtra there is a BJP government. It is at the time of election they are provoking. There is no need, not even a single village of Karnataka can be given to them. We don't want their language. We know how to protect our people who all are in, though they are Maharashtrians. Earlier, Maratha speaking, they all are Kannadigas. They love Kannadigas. They want to be in peace. We have built this Suvarna Sauda only to protect here, protect their rights, interest, and safeguard their interest. So it is a very shame on the part of Maharashtra government for having moved such type of resolution. We condemn it, we oppose it. Entire Karnataka stand by the people of Karnataka.
Sir, Maharashtra government, it's again, there is a proposal needed from Karnataka side to give a message to Maharashtra. Will that be done?
Nothing, no, we all are united. We will protect our rights, our land.
Will you propose this in the assembly again?
Assembly also, we are going to move a resolution to see that this will be protected.
But one resolution has already passed, sir.